Hey guys, welcome back to art. So today we're going to be learning how to draw a cow. So this is a close-up portrait of a cow. So a portrait, we've learned this before, is a picture of either a person or an animal up close. So it's usually just their head and their neck. And you guys will also notice that the cow, he definitely doesn't look like a real cow because he's blue. He's actually kind of like a greenish blue, but it's hard to tell in my lighting. So we're going to be using abstract colors to color in our cow today. Okay, so we're going to do a draw along. So you guys are going to follow along with me on how to draw this cow. Okay? All right. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to start off with the top of the head with just kind of like a sort of like a curved line like that. Okay? Okay, then you're going to kind of go out and down. Out and down. Okay, now you don't want to go, it keeps getting too right. You don't want to go too close together because now the bottom is going to be sort of like a little box, but it's like a rounded box and it's going to go slightly out from there. Okay? I think I can make it a little bit closer to the edge there. Okay. Bottom part is going to be the mouth. Another kind of shape like that. You know what? I think it might be hard for you guys to see this, so I'm going to use a marker, but make sure you guys are just using a regular pencil to draw in case you need to erase. Is that a little bit better to see? Yeah. Okay, so now once you have that, you guys are going to draw the body of the cow, or just kind of like the close-up part of the neck. And you're going to draw one line going down here, slightly angled, down to the bottom of the paper. And then over here on the side of the cow's head, you're going to draw just kind of like his neck going off the page as well. Okay. Once you have that, then we're going to draw the ears, and these are going to go off the page. So starting from up here, you're going to draw a curve, kind of like a little loop-de curve, and then another one like that. And then same thing over here, try to make them even. And then also even, so I'm going to kind of like look at that. And then there's going to be a line underneath there. All right. Okay, so these are like the ears sticking off the side. And then you're going to draw the eyes. So the eyes are going to be right here close to the edge. And they're kind of like a little, I would say like sort of like an oval shape. There's going to be a little white part there on the inside. So same thing on this side, kind of like right next to the ear. There's going to be a little white part, and that's just like the white part of the inside of the eye. And then this whole part here is going to be shaded in. So you can just use your pencil for now to shade that in. I'm using the marker. And then maybe some little eyelashes. And then down here in the cow's nose, you're going to show the little nose lines. Maybe do like some little squigglies up there. You can totally tell it's a cow now. And then the last thing is to draw like the white part on the nose. A lot of cows have that. So you're just going to draw a line going down from the top and to the sides. There we have our portrait of a cow. It looks so good. Okay, so here's going to be the next part that I want you guys to follow along with. Okay, so in art, there's a couple different kinds of art, but two of the very main ones are called abstract art and realistic art. Now, we just drew a realistic picture of a cow, right? It's realistic. It looks like a cow. I looked at a picture of a cow and I made a portrait of a cow. And then you guys looked at how to draw it from my video, and you drew a cow, how it looks in real life, or mainly how it looks, right? Okay, so the thing that makes it abstract, or the thing that makes something abstract, is that it either doesn't look like anything, or you can use abstract colors. So for this project, I would like you guys to use abstract colors. So if you're going to do spots on your cow, you can totally do that. Maybe you do spots like just like around your cow's body. However you guys want to do it is totally fine, but what I want you to focus on, like I was saying, is to use abstract colors. So cows are not usually, so I colored this one green. Cows are not usually green. Grass is not usually blue. So I colored my picture in with abstract colors. I left this white because I wanted the stripe to be white. You don't have to leave it white, it can totally be up to you. But I want you guys to use abstract colors to color in your cow. So maybe you use like pink for the spots. Maybe you use red for the spots. Maybe you use yellow for the spots. Typically cows aren't those colors, right? That's what makes it abstract. So again, I know we've talked about this before. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. When you guys are coloring in, try and focus on coloring in nice and neat in one direction, inside the lines, up and down, or side to side, whichever you choose, and kind of going nice and slow. That makes it look nice and neat. Okay? I know that's kind of hard to see. It keeps getting like super bright, but I did color it pink. Alright guys, here's my final one again. I just did it like a greenish color, but again, you can use any colors you want. Try and make it abstract to follow along, okay? Alright, you guys, I hope you had fun, and I will see you guys next time.